everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namya here to showcase the thing that I've been longing to make and share it with you all, and that is my first own functioning website that I have created using Python and Django, and that is Sustainable Rozgar, Sustainable Zindagi. In English, it actually means sustainable work, sustainable life. I actually chose this title because it is catchy, and I chose the topic because I wanted to give open opportunities to the unemployed workers who have lost their jobs during this pandemic so that they can earn a living. So basically the idea of the project came in my mind when I was the part of the General Assembly during a debate in UNESCO Summer Camp for Peace, and the fact of unemployment really moved me a lot, and I thought I should create something for giving opportunities to the workers to come forward and have both skill-based jobs and normal jobs so that they can actually earn a livelihood. So let me show you what I've created. So here we have the homepage that tells us what the website is about and the current job posts, and yes, you should dream big so you can achieve so many things and be happy members, and this is obviously there in each and every website. And then the About Us page, in which what we are doing and what is the motive of the website, basically the information of what it is exactly about. And then we have the job page in which they can apply for a job, and we have many skill-based jobs including the normal jobs. Next, we have the blog and case studies, which I've created like an experience of the customers who have applied for a job in our website and they've earned a benefit from it. And next thing is the register. So when you register upon it, it shows you the two ways to sign in. And I'm going to show you both. So the first one is to register as a worker. So as you can see, when you register as a worker, you can give a name, any email ID, and then you agree to the terms of the user and you sign in. And you've been successfully signed in as a worker. And when you click here to apply for a job, here you have your account, and then maybe I want to apply for a job of project management. So it says you have successfully applied for the job. The employer who wants to contact you will send you a mail on your email ID, and then click down below to sign out and then go back to the website. Now I'll quickly show you what happens with the employer, and the image is changed over here, same steps, and then sign in, and it says you've successfully been signed in as an employer. Click here to hire workers. So let's hire some workers. So it shows you the number of workers available. So maybe I want to hire some workers for database development. So I click here, it asks me for confirmation that if you're completely sure, confirm, and if you want to change. So I'm going to change. It takes me back here, and if I want to confirm, I confirm. And it says that you successfully hired, and some details that in case you want more, you will be our first priority. You know, some catchy titles for people. Yes, you should apply more over here. And then sign out, and you've been successfully signed up onto the website. So I hope you liked my website, and if you did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Bye.